I tried to warn people. I did my best. I am so disappointed and so frustrated this morning. Stupid is what stupid does, and it is what it is. But why should I get upset when people are basically stupid? I'll explain all of that in a minute. I do get upset though. I want everyone to win, and everyone can win. So, markets slipping today after a pump this morning when I told you in Discord and Electrum what was going to happen. People didn't listen. I've had people messaging me now saying I'm losing all my money. I got margin called this morning. You did it yourself. Stupid is what stupid does. And I do not apologize for it, because why should I be upset because you keep making the same mistake over and over again? Wall Street now has become very uneasy. Inflation surprise again. It's a surprise to who? Not a surprise to me. I've told you over and over again. Growth slowing too. Surprise. Who's surprised? Growth slowing too. I've told you 1 or 2 rate cuts at very most. This morning I told you it was a fake out. I told you I was selling before this happened, my Ethereum. If you saw me say that on Discord and Electrum, say yes in the chat. Fact check me. It's important. So what's happening? Let's break this down. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Let's get straight into it. Big macro signals today all over the place. That's why I didn't do a show this morning. I've been on the phones to everybody that moves the market, everybody that matters, to try to find out what you need to know. Those that listen, those that pay attention. Thank you ever so much, everybody, putting yes in the chat. I did say that, and I will show you it right now, actually. This was this morning when I told you that you needed to be out of Ethereum. There it was. 4 hours ago, members only on YouTube, Electrum and above, gold, sponsor and platinum members. There it is. I told you what I was selling. I took a profit. I made money, and I said I'm doing it ahead of the inflation report. Before it came out, I knew what was going to be said, and I was right. I also shared it on Discord, and I shared this for everyone this morning as we were right on the line between being in and out of hours. I shared for everyone, as you can see, everyone there in the Lucas chat, so everyone could see it. All my screenshots, all my trades, all my positions to show you what I was doing this morning. So you can't say you didn't know, except some of you have walked straight into it again. So let me explain what's happening and where we go next and what you can do to always win. I always win. There's my trade this morning, 230 trades, 225 wins. One of those was to show you what not to do. The other 4 were for tax positions, so they weren't technically losses either. Okay, let's carry on. Someone is giving away memberships. I'll explain all that's all about in a minute. Let's go into this. So huge macro signals this morning. I can believe it. We're giving memberships away this morning. Absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much. All been donated by Montgomery Childs, has just bought 10 memberships. I will explain what it is in a minute. All of you now can get Electrum for 27% discount. It's the best discount you'll ever get. There's no more discounts. We never give discounts, only when you win a gifted membership. Crossing the markets today, stocks mostly lower, but a big story is much deeper than the headline suggests. The S&P slipping slightly down 0.2. Dow near flat, holding steady today on the Nasdaq. Weaker again, tech feeling the pressure, investors digesting the data. Macro dominating the sentiment. It is indeed, and you're missing all the signs. So, five sectors ahead. 5 sectors are green. 5 sectors are red. Sorry, 6 sectors are red. These are the signs you need to be looking at. Utilities leading today. Defensive positioning returning. Defensive. See how Coca-Cola, let me go to it and show you today. And I told you what was going to happen. Coca-Cola there it is. We had the money come out for the dividend and we are straight back up again. I bought with conviction. I told you I was going to buy. I've got $93,000 now. I've got a huge dividend payout, about $600. Steve Rocket just won a membership. Look at Coca-Cola today. It's got a value of $81.96 next year. If you know I've said that in the chat, say yes, you've said that in the chat and you were right. It did hit $80. I made $40,000 from it. Bought it back again, and now you can see I'm up nearly 1% today, plus the dividends, $93,000. At $100,000, I am a retail whale once again in Coca-Cola. If you go into the filings, any retail investor with over 100 grand in Coca-Cola is a whale. I know what I'm talking about. Thank you very much indeed. I've shared it with you. So defensives are positioning higher again today. Industrials, weakest sector. That's a sector I've warned against. Growth expectations fading. They're not just fading. The GDP has been slashed by half. The chance of a recession now is 85 to 90%. And I told you when it would happen. In the autumn. Between now and then, I'm taking profits and I'm preparing myself. We've got another new member, JBO. Thank you so much indeed. We're giving 10 memberships away. You can now get Electrum for 27% discount. Rotation quietly happening under the surface. This is why I spent the time today on the phone, talking to the banks, talking to those that move the markets. You've no idea what you don't know. You are being absolutely played today in your crypto. Once again, I told you why. We gave you the story about Jeffrey Epstein. We also gave you the story of Jane Street. All of it to educate and help and support you in the crypto sector. Many of you messaged me this afternoon going, oh, no, you sold too early. Ethereum's going up, XRP's pumping. I said, no, I showed you it wasn't. And here we are again. Now I've got a load of buying power again. I've got all my assets rising. I've got 25 to nearly 26 grand in buying power again. I protected my portfolio. You too could be in exactly the same position if only you would listen. Frodo, I am not trying to rob you. I am trying to help you. I'll explain more of that in a moment. Some of you are literally being robbed and then blaming me for doing it. I'll explain that in a minute. Key inflation reading. Let me break this down for you. Core PCE, 3.1 year over year, slightly hotter. Slightly hotter? It's been consistently hotter. It's way over. The Fed want 2%, and we haven't had the inflation shock from oil yet. This is prior to that. There's going to be one, if no, rate cuts this year. And crypto, every 5 minutes, Tom Lee comes out and gives another ridiculous statement. And people keep listening. People keep watching. He keeps taking the fee from CNBC. And all he does is kicks it down the can again. We're gonna have a 200,000 for Bitcoin in December. We're gonna have 200,000 for Bitcoin in January. We're gonna have 200,000 for Bitcoin in February. We're gonna have 200,000 for Bitcoin in March. Why? Because he's selling you the narrative. He's got a bloody badge on his lapel. You notice with me, I've got the US flag and the UK flag. There's no marketing here of my granny shots or my Ethereum. Utter bloody nonsense. Economists are being blindsided by what's happening. They're all unaware of it. They're all surprised on CNBC today. The narrative is we're all surprised. It's hotter than we expected. No, it's not. They know exactly what it is. They know more than me, but they just don't want to tell you. They're creating TV and their self-promotion. The Fed is watching closely. Markets reacting cautiously. Now, why this matters, and in a minute I'll come on to Frodo. I'm trying to help you. I'm not trying to rob you. PCE matters most. Very important for the Federal Reserve. It's their compass for policy decisions. Hotter inflation means rates stay higher for longer, no liquidity, crypto going down. How many times have I told you on the show, be prepared for a $1 XRP? I'm so bloody sick of telling people and then getting messages from people going, I've lost money again. It's your fault, blah, 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 blah. Unbelievable. I'm not losing money. I'm always making money. I'm always hitting all-time highs. You're not doing what I'm saying at all. You're making mistake after mistake after mistake. The big concern, it's not just inflation. That isn't the story. Growth is also slowing. It's not slowing. It's stalling. It's crashing. GDP revised lower. Now, I don't understand it. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I can give you 100 quotes. And this is not a political channel. It's an investment channel. I can give you 100 quotes when Donald Trump will tell you the markets are rallying, it's all-time highs, it's this and that and the other. The S&P year to date, and we are in the middle of March, is down 3%. Some rally, that is. Yep, that's the facts. The S&P is down year to date 3%. You are being played, and the bigger the lie, the more people believe it. When it's completely absurd and bonkers, you believe it. And people believe it. They believed this morning it was right to buy crypto. That's why it went up. And I said, for God's sake, sell it. People didn't listen. My Discordians did. My Electrums did. Everybody else didn't. The messages I get are never from members. They're always from idiots who are frustrated with themselves. But I am here to help you. I want all of you to win. Even the trolls and the bots, for what the bots are worth. GDP revised lower. Fourth quarter growth just 0.7. The economy is cooling faster than ever expected. Manufacturing warning. I've got another warning for you. Another warning sign. Durable goods stalled. January orders flat. Manufacturing momentum fading. Businesses cautious again. Investments slowing slightly. Another soft signal for the economy. But I'm going to show you, despite all of this, how you can always win. I always win. My trades are always winning. There are far smarter people than me. I speak to them all the time. I surround myself by people from Bank America, Robin Hood, one friend from Coca-Cola, many hedge fund managers, Wall Street managers. They don't lose either. CEOs, they don't lose either. I'm not losing. You don't need to lose. You don't need to be on the wrong side of this. Here's the twist. The labour market. Labour is still strong. Jobs openings higher than expected. Demand for workers still surprisingly resilient. This is an interesting point. But because jobs are strong, the Fed don't need to raise rates. And until rates come down, you won't get liquidity. You won't get risk on assets take off. But again, like I say, there is a way to make money, and I'll show you how in a second. Hiring hasn't cracked, at least yet. Consumer confidence, another big point here. However, consumers are cautious. Sentiment declined again. March reading weaker. Households now feeling the pressure. Inflation still biting. We keep being told that everything is cheaper, more affordable. Nobody sees it. Nobody thinks it. Nobody is saying that is what's happening. However, that's the narrative we're being given. Rates are still restricted and confidence is fading, and it's fading quickly now. All right, the big picture. So look carefully at this puzzle. Inflation is slightly hot. Growth is slowing quickly. Jobs still strong. Consumers losing confidence. Mixed signals everywhere. Classic late cycle. Economic environment. Now we come on to the big issue, the bond market. Most of you don't understand what bonds are. You think it's S-Gov, treasury bills. There's way more to the bond market. It's bigger than the stock market. It controls the stock market. And when the yen carry trade unwinds, which it will, and the market will go down, bonds get out of the way of it because it's way bigger than the stock market. The bond market, yield barely moving. 2-year yield, 10-year yield has hardly moved. I'm just getting a message coming through on Discord from my team, information coming in. Okay, I'll come back to that in a minute. Wall Street, what Wall Street is preparing for now, and what you should be asking yourself, is a soft landing possible or a slowdown coming faster than expected? Are we going to hit a recession? Now, that is the debate. That is a debate. That is what we should be looking at. That's what's driving the markets right now. What you should be focusing on is the inflation trend. Watching the job market, watch consumer spending, watch bond yields, and these 4 signals will drive the markets over the next few weeks. So where are we today? What you need to be looking at is volatility is returning way more than before. Macro is driving the markets. We've got the war, we've got oil and everything else. It's not just earnings. So where do you put your money, and how do you protect yourself? The narratives are changing quickly, and stay alert. Stay alert because the market will move quickly. This weekend, I think, will be pivotal. You've seen me say that on the show several times, and I want to re-emphasize why I want to get as much money out today as possible for this weekend, because of what I spoke about with the drone attacks on California and all the rest of it. There's going to be a lot of movement this weekend, and I don't want to gamble and guess and be in a speculative asset over the weekend with crypto and find I'm down, my XRP has gone down to $1. So calculate the loss compared to the gain. So remember this, inflation has not been beaten, not by a long shot. And think how long rates have been up. Years now. It takes time for it to filter through. Growth is losing momentum. Jobs are still resilient, but consumers are getting nervous, and that is where we stand today. So the reality on Wall Street right now is nobody knows. And if they do know, they're manipulating the news and trying to protect themselves. And that's what you have to do. So let me go back now to what I started with when I said, Frodo, I'm not trying to rob you. I'm trying to help you. That was Gandalf, by the way, from Lord of the Rings, if anybody didn't get that. But let me show you my positions. So, and I'll tell you how you can win and how I will always win. You can see we had a bit of a rally this morning with XRP. Very nice. Great. I've already taken profit between 114 and 150 over and over again. You've seen me do it live on Electrum, live on Discord. I'm not buying this. It could go to $1. You've seen me say that. Please fact check me. If you know I've said it could go to $1, more likely say in the chat. And you've seen me take profit, say yes in the chat. Ethereum, I told you this morning that this was a fake breakout. May it go up again? Yes, it will. If it does, am I going to buy it here? Not on your Nelly. Absolutely not. I do not want to be in this over the weekend. All right? There's but much bigger things at play. Jane Street's playing you like a bloody fiddle, and the Jeffrey Epstein story behind Bitcoin is playing you like a fiddle. I'm not going to be in that. I'm taking profit from it. I'm not in Bitcoin. I wouldn't touch Bitcoin. I'm not in Dogecoin. That's just dust. Now, the S&P. You saw me buy back the S&P recently. You saw me say live on the show, if you did hear me say this, say yes. When S&P started to go up and I made all that money, 40 grand on Coca-Cola, 50 grand on the S&P, did I buy on the dip of the S&P? Yes. As it started to rise, did I buy it? No, I said I will not buy it until it goes lower than what I've just paid for. It is now flat, as you can see. It's now just where I paid for it on average. I got it slightly lower than that. I will be buying more because I've now got $24,000 again to buy it. SGov, I'm not in SGov right now. And that'll be where I put my money next, by the way. VU is where I shall end up next because it's the best value of the Google, Coca-Cola and Nvidia now. And bearing in mind, I have enough of that. I want to balance it with buying VU, but not today when it goes down. And if it goes up, fine. I shall let it go and wait until September when it will come down a lot lower. Coca-Cola, I told you over and over again that Coca-Cola was 80 to 81. We've done it several times now, made 40 grand last time. We're doing it again. What happened this morning when tech rallied? It went down. Everything went up. Ethereum went up. Bitcoin went up. And I told you it was a false breakout, and I was right. It went down by the price of the dividend because today is ex-dividend day. So all that's happened is it's been trimmed by the dividend. That's all. It's been rebalanced. Not been paid out yet, of course, but Wall Street have rebalanced for the dividend. Now, that's been priced in. People are buying it back up again. So we are winning. So as you can see, I'm only down now 0.07. I've got 93 grand. I'm about to earn 600 plus in dividends. My aim is $1,000 a month. Sorry, $1,000. Yeah, $1,000 a month. That's something I'm working towards. Not there yet. I have been there and I've taken profit, but I'll get back there again. So as you can see, I'm virtually flat now on Coca-Cola with 1,200 shares. Very nice indeed. That's going up. Defensive is the name of the game. That's where I told you I was going. Now, Google and Nvidia, the last part of our story. Google and Nvidia are least likely to be affected by oil, least likely to be affected by recession, least likely to be affected by all the macro conditions I've just spoken about because of internal enterprise spending from each other. Some people, that's between Amazon and Google and Microsoft and Apple and all these, and Nvidia, all these things. Now, a lot of people will say their accounting practices aren't good and it's overbought and all the rest of it. Yes, you could argue that, but this is where I would rather be. Why? Because the companies that are spending with each other have piles of cash and it doesn't matter to them about inflation. That's why I'm all in on Google, and I've got 250 grand plus my Roth IRA, which is 50. So I've got over $350,000 in Google, and you can see you can trim, and it makes no difference to your Google dividend payout. Once it's been accepted, that's what you're getting. Even if you sell all of your Google, it makes no difference. So we're down today. Why don't I take that 25 grand today that I got out of Ethereum? Very nice indeed for a profit. Why don't I buy Google right now? Because it's not low enough. It's not low enough for me to buy any more, not just for the price to earnings ratio, but the balance within my portfolio. My money next will be going into Nvidia. All right. Next, it will be going into, I beg your pardon. It will be going into the S&P 500. That's now become better value and it will get better over time. So we'll wait for that. Nvidia, I've got plenty of Nvidia. This is a top stock for me. $250 target. Bank of America say 300. I was on the phone to them today. I've got a payout of $4.61. Pretty daft, really, isn't it? It's tiny, but hey, I'll take $4 every single day. I'm down very slightly, 1.33. Absolutely nothing. And with a price target of 250 to 300, I'm in the money. As far as I'm concerned, I couldn't care less. Am I going to buy any more? No, it's down a little bit, but I'm not going to buy any more for the reasons I've just given you. I'm going to be buying the S&P next, but not yet. Now then, the last part, as I told you I would say, I showed you on the screen that I shared it with you on Discord. There it is. There are my trades. I did it before the inflation report. I told you what was going to happen before it came out. I was right again, and I made my positions known to everybody. Now, before I explain what I mean about I'm not trying to rob you, Frodo, I'm trying to help you, I want to give everyone the chance to get 24-hour support from me. It drives me mad that one person gets left behind. I want to help you. So Here is 90% discount from my Discord, which other people will charge $1,000 a month for. I charge a couple of bucks. Why? Because I make money from investing. Every day people say you should charge more, and I probably should, because people would value it even more if I did, but I don't want to. I want everyone to be able to have the opportunity to win. You don't need to keep losing. The information is there. I get it from the sources. I surround myself by the best people on earth to give me the information which I share with you. So there is Discord in the chat, and there is YouTube Electrum. Discord comes with 90% discount, just $2.99 for the basic level. I recommend everyone go on Pro. Everyone is upgrading to Pro. It's $4 a month. That's all it is. $4.99 a month. And you get 24-hour support, and I mean 24-hour support from me directly. It's the only way you can message me directly, and this is where it gets dangerous, and I'm going to explain it in a second. You can get one-on-one support from me, all of my trades, 24/7. I've never lost. These are all my trades live. This is the real time, the real clock. I want to thanks to Darby, by the way, from Hawaii, for correcting me on the CDT. It's been changed to CDT today, not CST. We're in daylight time. Thank yous to Darby from Hawaii for putting me straight on that. Twice a year he messages me. He's my clock from Hawaii. It's amazing. I love it. I get it wrong between CST and CDT. Anyway, there you go. And not only do you get my trades, my 24-hour trades, you get one-on-one support. In a moment, I'm going to be on Discord doing live Q&A, answering everyone's questions. On YouTube Electrum, I just showed you that on the screen. In the community post, you get my trades 24/7. I've never lost. I've won on every single trade. All right, I share it all with you live on YouTube. Plus, you get all the YouTube benefits. Yesterday, you had a members event where we did 2 analysis events for you, Jeppy and JP Morgan and whatever it was, 2 ETFs. We did that for you. That's free of charge, okay, to all of my YouTube members. All right. Plus, you can call in, you can comment to videos. I reply with a like. If it's a question, I'll even answer it on YouTube, and I'll engage with you on social media. Many, many things you get. All right, so now I'm going to explain to you right now, I'm not trying to rob you, I'm trying to help you. And this is so frustrating. And I said to Leah today, people are stupid, absolutely stupid. She said, that's a bit aggressive. I said, you know what? I'm going to say it how it is. They are. A lot of our, a number of our audience, a portion of our audience are stupid. She said, you can't say that. I said, I just did. Why should I be upset for you? Because I do get upset for you when you are doing it to yourself. And I mean that. This really does affect me. I want to help people. Someone has just joined Discord. Let me make sure this person is safe. This is what I'm coming on to now. So every single day, and here it comes again, I say to you, when you join Discord, all right, and I'm just admitting someone here for the high security that we have, and going through the approval. You now have, that's Lord Axe, you've called yourself. You have minutes to choose your membership. Otherwise, you'll be kicked. Minutes, right, to protect the server and to protect my members and to protect you. So you've just joined. I've just approved you. You have minutes now to choose your membership. And every time I mention Discord or any of our services that we provide, whether it's the newsletter, Discord, YouTube, whatever, I say be careful of scammers. On every platform that I have, there are people impersonating me. All right? Again, listen. I never message you. You start by messaging me. I never send you a friend request. You send me a friend request. Look in my username, not my display name. Because anyone can steal my display name and they get sued when they do. You look, right click, look at the profile, look at the username. The username on Discord, guess what, folks? At Martyn Lucas, spelt correctly. Not Martin with an S or a Z or 3 T's or a 1 or a dot. Martyn Lucas. So remember, I never message you. I never friend request you. My username is correct. It's simple. And then, of course, we get, please send me your Bitcoin. I'm trying to help you. And they use all my catchphrases. And people do it. We had someone today say to us, live in Sensei Show, they sent someone 11,000 XRP and it was okay. How is that okay? If I lose $1, I get bloody angry. So it's not okay. And why am I upset? I shouldn't be. It's your own bloody fault. So I'm going to just say it. If you do those things, it's your own bloody fault. And you are bloody deserve it. Because then I turn around and then I try to help people and I come in the chat on Sensei's show and say, if you are watching, this is what to do. Do they listen? No, they don't listen. What happens? They leave Discord and go, it's a scam. They leave Discord. Now they've left Discord, I can't message them even in an emergency and tell them what they're doing is wrong. Now, this person this morning, the donut man, is currently, right now, in a conversation with a scammer. And the scammer is convincing him that it's the real Martyn. And he's probably in a minute going to send that person some money. And I can't do anything about it because he's not on the server. I can't reach him. I can't contact him. I can't do anything. YouTube, do not give me your email information. I can't email you. I can't chase you. There's nothing I can do. So please be careful. This will be the next story that someone said, oh, I lost all my money. You do it to yourself. I tell you what to do. I tell you about the winning trades. I show you the evidence. I go live all day, every day. I'm desperately trying to help people. I don't know why I bother, quite frankly. Leah said, you've made enough money. You've done enough things. You've helped enough people. Take a week off and stuff it. If people won't listen and they don't listen to what you're saying, let it. It's their fault. It's their fault. But I just can't let it go. I want to help you. So that's what I meant today about Frodo. I'm trying to help you. I'm not trying to rob you. I charge you $2.99 for the base level on Discord. It's the lowest I'm allowed to charge on Discord. My competitors, who aren't competitors at all, they don't have the information that I have. They don't have the direct contacts I have. Charge between $500 and $1,000, and they splur out AI nonsense. So anyway, now I've got that off my chest. It is what it is. So I'm going to let you all go. I'm now going to go into Discord. If anybody wants to join me on Discord, I'll give you a second. There is the Discord link. There is the YouTube membership link. I'm here to help you. I will never increase the price of my services. They're already the minimum. There's no inflation. Ever. The price will never go up, ever. I will add more services, ever. I will fact check myself live on the show in front of everyone. I will show you I'm always winning. I will show you my trades live. I'll answer every question. I'll do everything humanly possible. There's nothing else I can do to help people. Be very careful this weekend. This weekend is going to catch a lot of people out. I've been on the phones today. I've got lots of alerts, lots of warnings. I've given you it all. People are going to buy with leveraged crypto this weekend. You could lose it all. There'll be fake breakouts, all kinds of stuff. Look, just go and look at the Trump coin and the Melania coin. The worst coins in history. 28 wallets took all the money, all from the Trump family, and 8,000 wallets lost. Sorry, was it 8 or 80,000? I can't remember. 8 or 80,000. I can't remember how many it was. Lost all the money. All right. You've no idea what you don't know. You've no idea what you're playing against. You cannot win, but you can win if you buy value and take emotions out of it and understand what's going on. And if you've got any doubts whatsoever and you're unsure, join in the live shows. I'm live all day, every day. If I miss a comment from you and you're frustrated, $1.99. Surely that's worth protecting from being scammed. A super chat on the screen will read out your question, read out your comment. So before you send your money to somebody or you engage in someone and someone hacks your computer, $1.99, you've got my attention, you're on the show, I can solve it, I can help you.
I can't
it's
believe
that
this.
flipping easy.
At Walton 1701 has become a member.
I don't know. Right, let me go through comments and questions quickly. We are in members only mode. I am going to go to Discord in a few moments. The market is pulling back now for Friday. I don't care how low it goes. I can't get margin called, even though I've got all that margin. I got 49% buffer. Even though I've got all that margin, the stock market can crash 50%. I'm absolutely fine and dandy. 49%. If it does, I'll be buying. What am I buying? Nvidia? No, it's not cheap enough to add more. Google? No, it's under 300 it starts to get good, but I'm going to go more in the S&P. That's where I'm going to buy. That's where you want to be. That's where I want to be again now.
I can't believe
now
this.
We're getting the valuations come back into balance. Not going to buy crypto. That's going to go down, up and down like a yo-yo. Now then, let me wrap this up before I read comments and questions. Montgomery Childs has just donated 11 memberships, 10 and now 1. What does that mean? That means one of our members, with his own hard-earned money, has bought you membership. He's not a bot. He's not a robot. It's not me. We're not just pressed a button and given you free memberships. We have bought you, or at least Montgomery has, bought you 11 memberships. That gives you a temporary bronze membership. It won't renew. You've not purchased it. It won't renew. Look how much Coca-Cola is going up, folks. Was I right again? Was I right again? All right. Directly from the source, folks. People sold, the CFO's been selling yesterday. I remember in the chat, I went, it's great, it's good. No, it's selling Coca-Cola. What did I do? I bought yesterday and now I'm up even higher. Nonsense, utter nonsense. People just don't know what they don't know. So this guy, Montgomery Childs, has bought you memberships, bronze temporary. Now, you could do nothing about it, not even say thank you if you want. That's up to you. But what I suggest you do is this. I suggest what you do is upgrade to Electrum right now. Doesn't bother me. I don't need your I don't need your membership. Actually, yes, I do. I like it. But it's not what I'm telling you. You've got 27% discount off Electrum. You will then get my 24-hour trades all over the weekend. And because you got a bronze membership, you're only paying a couple of bucks extra for the Electrum membership. And you're going to get all my trades and all my support and all the CEO interviews and all the Electrum shows for a couple of bucks. If you're an investor and you've got $2 in the stock market, invest 2 more and get that to help you. All right? I can't make it any less expensive. Okay? That's number 1. Number 2, if you're on Discord, I've given you 90% discount. I'm going to have an onboarding event in a minute, and someone just joined. Hang on. Someone just joined. Lord Axe, you've got a minute to accept your membership. If you don't choose one, you'll be kicked from the service. All right. Ray Zapter. So interview. Let me give you the interview process. Okay. Now, some of these people aren't good people. Some of them are scammers, but we detect it the moment they enter, we kick them out. So I don't always get it right. I do my best. I look at the account when it looks good. I let them in, but we do make mistakes. So Ray Zapter, same for you. You've got a minute to choose what you want. If you don't choose a membership, it's not a free service. You'll be kicked from the server.
And Raymond Zapata has become a member.
Oh, thank you, Raymond. Oh, Raymond Zapter. That must be you, surely. Raymond Zapter, you are an Electrum on YouTube, Electrum member on YouTube, and you've also just joined temporarily You've gone through the interview process on Discord. Now I suggest, because we're going to be live in Discord in a few minutes after this, you can talk to me live one-on-one support. You can direct message me. I'll answer all your questions for you, show all my trades 24/7. Okay? Raymond Zapta has gone all in. He's an Electrum member, and I think probably he's more than likely... Oh my gosh, Montgomery has just given away another 5 memberships. We have got some whales in our server today, giving away buying people membership. Trying to help you, Frodo. I'm not trying to rob you. At least do it for a month. Someone has just given you 27% discount.
I can't believe this.
A couple of bucks. It's so cheap. Everyone should do it. You can always cancel it. You could just go and do it now. All right? Anyway, enough of all this. I'm tired. I'm going to go into Discord now and do our event. Let me answer comments and questions first before I go. Did anybody have a comment or question? Have I missed it? Let me go and have a look. So,
I can't believe
hi everyone
this.
from our oil baron, Stephen Lewandowski. Great to have you here, mate. Great to see Zion here. Tidy Big Dog is here. Tidy Big Dog has become our #1 supporter on the Extra channel. He's there all the time. I've noticed this, and we need to send some prizes out, actually. Tidy Big Dog to support the channel and help us grow around the world in different countries. I can believe it. He is... After the shows, he goes into Extra. He watches on Extra. He might mute it, like a replay of the day, but he's always in Extra, and he's just in there supporting, and it's amazing. So we thank you, Tidy Big Dog. Okay. William said, defense. Send William a message. I hope you've seen that. Liz, thanks, William, to come so fast. Fast in, was about to tell him to try what you told me. Not a member of the Discord server. Yes, Defense 89. I think if I remember correctly, Defense 89 cancelled. And I might be wrong, right? Defense 89, if I'm right, was a member. Cancelled their membership. A lot of people have done that to upgrade to Pro, and to protect the security of the server, I unfriend you and kick you from the server, because at that moment you don't have a role and you're not on the server. So I kick you and remove your friendship. Okay, you can then reapply, come back in. And that way you can upgrade to Pro. That's what most people are doing. Send me a friend request and I'll accept it straight away. No problems at all. That's what I do. So if you have been on Discord, you've got unfriended and kicked out, it's because you either left or cancelled your membership. Remember, you have full control over that. But because you do that, for security, I unfriend you. I don't want people that are still my friend so they can message other people that aren't part of the server. You see what I mean? It protects everybody. But I will accept it and you can come back in again. So Defense 89, I hope that made sense. Bilbo Baggins, I'm not trying to rob you. I'm trying to help you. All your long years, we've been friends. Trust me, as you once did. That's right. Send your nickname, said Liz. William Bond. Here he is. I might have been kicked since then. That's right. Let me reapply. You have been kicked. That's what happens when you cancel your membership. It's there to protect you, all right, from yourself, okay? There we go. Stephen is here. Defense, again, we can help you. We can help you straight away live on the show. A fool and their money are parted. So parted. Check in for advice. Do your own research. That's right. We got a new member. Lots of new members today. Liz, hello to you. Agree, man. Nutella. This is, I think, one of our friends who lost a lot of money here. I was more upset for you than I think you were. He said it's only 11,000 XRP. He's like, my God, if I'd lost 11 pence, I would be upset, especially giving it to a scammer. Thanks for the help. I will contact soon. I'm on work laptop, so the Discord link doesn't work at the moment. William Bond, thanks a lot. I dislike Discord anyway. There's nothing wrong with Discord, Nutella. Absolutely nothing wrong with Discord. For you, I understand you dislike it because you were talking to a scammer. We told you not to. Discord is a great place. I mean, would you cancel your phone line because people text you bad? Scammers text you? Would you cancel your phone line at home if you got some scam phone calls? No. Would you throw your computer in the bin if you got some phishing emails? Of course not. Would you cancel using Google because people browse and phish your internet? Of course not. It's the same thing. Discord is the same. All right? Nothing wrong with our server. They're messaging you outside the server. There's nobody in the server in any of our channels messaging anyone. They're messaging you directly because the internet is connected. Nothing to do with our server. You're welcome, Defense. Speaking of value, I bought 350 shares of Coca-Cola a few days ago when you did, and I'm up. Is it worth selling tonight and be out for the... well, I wouldn't be selling Coca-Cola right now. I'm not selling. First of all, you want your shares to settle today so you get the dividend. So I wouldn't be selling until Monday. I know it's only 55 cents, and you shouldn't have bought the business just for 55 cents share or 53 cents share. But at the end of the day, I'm not, because it's valued above 81.96 next year, and we've got the World Cup coming up. Can you accept my friend request, sir? Diesel Raider, I do not have a friend request from you. Are you talking to me? Diesel Raider, I do not have a friend request. You can't send friend requests on YouTube. I do not have a friend request from you, Diesel Raider, in the chat. I've already accepted it. That means you're probably messaging the wrong person. Here is me. There is my friend request at Martyn Lucas, spelled correctly. Thanks a lot. I will message you as soon as I open Discord. Great. It looks like we're going to fix this person. Good. That's one person we've managed to help. You must add the right Martyn when you come in. Do not accept other Martyns or other senseis. That's right. Don't accept anyone. Send it yourself. There it is. At... How many times have I said the word at Martyn Lucas? I mean, I don't know how many times. Let's have a look. Raymond Zapta just upgraded their membership. Fantastic. Raymond Zapta, you're about to get kicked on Discord. Please decide which service you want. You're probably going to go pro. You've just gone Electrum on here. So make sure you've done that. Otherwise, you'll be kicked from the server. I don't want to kick you if you unnecessarily. All right. But I've got to do what's right. Raymond seemed the same one. He bought it all. Lots of new memberships being gifted today. Let's have a look. Any more comments? Figuring it out right now. Give me a second. Oh, Raymond Zapta. Okay. Tidy is the man. Diesel Raider. Good afternoon, everyone. Good day, all. Bitcoins Craig. Thanks, I will. Welcome all new members. The best channel on YouTube, says Jeremy Devers. Thank you, Jeremy Devers. But I can't verify Discord. You can't verify Discord. You've done it before. I can't help you. The only reason why you can't verify Discord is because you've been blacklisted somewhere, or your email has been blacklisted. I haven't blocked you or banned you. You've just been kicked as you removed your membership or removed whatever you did, your roles or whatever, because you have the control to do that. I can't verify Discord. To log back out, back in again, I don't know. Iran thing in California area, a real possibility. We're on alert. I know it's a real possibility. I had the information from a good FBI source. Yes, I shared it with you yesterday. No one took it seriously though. So I've done my best. I have followed too many scammers. I so love the discipline you are living in this space. Thank you, Montgomery Childs. I really appreciate that. And thank you so kindly for supporting so many members here and giving them the opportunity to upgrade them and, to get their Electrum membership. So I have followed too many scammers. I so love the discipline. Yes, it would be easy, Montgomery, easy. I could just make Discord open, take away all the security, get everyone to pay me lots of money, and just basically have a virus-filled nonsense space, have AI bots do all my chart predictions, and just sit on the beach. I could do that. Or over and over and over again, 12 hours a day, I tell people what to do, how to do it properly. Yeah, it takes a lot of discipline to try to help people, and I wish I didn't care. I wish I didn't. My life would be a lot easier. Mont, glad you found us. Thank you. Poor Nutella. Yeah, I'm more upset than he is. He's going, it's only 11,000 XRP. It's all right. I'm like, what? Only 11,000 XRP. If I'd lost 11 pence, I'd be upset. As soon as the show is over, I'll close my laptop and we'll connect to the server. Thank you, Defense. I'm here to help you. I bought Coke at 66.10 a while back when I first heard Martyn talk about it being an $80 stock. Congratulations, Anubix. Yes, so did I. Sold it for 80, bought it back, sold it for 81, bought it back. And now all the money I've got is basically free. Yeah, and now I'm earning dividends for free. A flock of Martins. Are you talking about all the scammers? Probably. Liz, isn't the question, should he sell his Coca-Cola now and buy it back lower when he can get the correction? That depends if he's already made money on it and how it might affect his portfolio. As far as I'm concerned, I'm not selling it at all because I don't want to pay any more tax. I don't see any point. I've already made money. If I thought a crash was imminent on defensive positions, I might consider that. But now it's free money. Someone stole my phone. Oh, God. See, this is another issue, right? Well, oh, dear. Well, I don't know how to help you with someone stole my phone, says Defense. Oh, my God. Anyway, we've made it easier. We've made it easier for you. Just try again. Maybe make another account using a different email, says Frank and Muff. When I enter my phone, it says they can't add that phone to my account. I never used it anywhere. I don't know. No, Defense. We will find a way. Have you reached out to support, says Frankenmuff. Maybe you try again on another browser. Can't wait till concert tonight. Oh, yes, I'm about to end and give you the link to that. I accidentally registered my phone to a random account I somehow made. I had to email them and put in a support ticket. Frankenmuff, there we go. Oh, that's wild. Anubis, if you did on more than one device, if have to remove from one of the devices, that is correct. Copy that, Diesel. There we go. Get a new number. Indeed, those flockers are everywhere. Roger that, Tidy. I have to make another Discord. Oh, do you? Okay. So I'll kick you from this one, I presume, then in a short while. All right, I'll just allow you to do that. Anyway, Martyn, take a week off with Leah before Sensei takes a break as a new father. You need to re-energize. I might do that because I'm so bloody frustrated by people. I want to help everyone. And Leah says you can't. Just, let people do what they do, right? Why do I have to have a difficult life because people are stupid? Why? I'm not having a difficult life. I'm having a great life. Why am I having a stupid life? Because people are stupid. I just wish I could get rid of that. Anyway, okay. So I'm going to wrap this up. I'm going to go over to Discord and I'm going to... you've all got the link for Electrum, right? And Discord, great. What was I going to say? Yeah, let me check this. Where am I sending you? I think I'm sending you to Extra. I've got Casey now doing a great show. Casey gave you such inside information on Bitcoin and the X account from Elon Musk. Oh my gosh. She has done so much research. She's live right now on Extra. You really should go and watch this. Look, Casey's doing this now on Extra. So it's a replay you've missed, show you cannot afford to miss. Let me give everyone the link here to Extra. It'll take you there automatically. There you go. Or tonight, of course, at 4 p.m. Central, we're in the pub. Oh, before I go, I nearly forgot. Before I go, here is the music show for tonight. Right? This is where we're going to be tonight at 4 p.m. Music. Here we go. Music. Okay, there we go. That's tonight. But also look on the home page of the channel right now, where you are right now watching Gandalf. Right, there it is. Right at the top, you'll find the Extra channel, the Clips channel, and the Music channel. The Music channel is where the party is tonight. The Clips channel is all the little 10, 15, 20, 30 second sound bites of all the news with its own playlist. There is the Clips channel, and there is the Extra channel where we're live 24/7 with the replay of what you've just missed. If you want to join the whole network, it's all free to join. On the Clips channel, there's no ads, no membership. It's free. You literally watch ad-free, membership-free. Everything is free. Why I do that, I have no idea. Music channel. The Music channel, you can watch the show tonight. I turn the ads off. There's no ads. There's no membership. You watch that for free as well. Just the way it is. The Extra channel, you can go and watch that. Get a replay. It's 99 cents to be a member. You can watch for free, listen for free. But if you want to chat, because it's 24/7, we've got a 99 cents paywall to keep out the bots and the trolls and make it work. All right? Okay. So I'm going to go over the Discord now. I'll be there in a couple of minutes' time. Join me tonight on the music show. I look forward to seeing you there. That's in 4 hours. I'm not doing a closing bell this afternoon. I want to go and have a break because the people that keep making these mistakes and getting scammed are just exhausting me. And I need to find a way to just let them just, why should I have to suffer because people won't listen? I'm not your mum, am I? Anyway, so there you go. I need to stop behaving like one. All right, I'll see you over on Discord in a few minutes. Thank you very much indeed. I'll see you there. Did anyone need upgrading on Discord now? No, hang on. Yes, 2 pending. No excuses. No excuses has come back. I had to kick No Excuses out earlier because he cancelled his memberships and had to remove friends. So No Excuses, here you come. I recognise this name. I had to do it for security reasons. And also Monkey Drafty. Is it Monkey Drafty? I think it is. So let me send you. You look fine. There you go. Approve that. Approve that. Okay. So I've just admitted 2. Monkey Drafty and No Excuses. Right. So you have a few minutes to choose your memberships. Choose wisely, because once you do, if you do it on the phone, you have to go for all the faffing around to upgrade it, and everyone upgrades to Pro anyway. Right, that's it from me. I'll see you on Discord in a few minutes. Join me on the music show tonight. See you on Extra in a minute, and that's it. Vaz. Oh, here's Vaz with Evtol Daily. Can't watch this Cherokee more in my... Can't watch this... I'm not sure I know what you mean, Liz. Yes, Joby, good news and progress. Thank you, Vaz, for all what you do. Vaz live later on. So Vaz will be live later on. So Vaz will take my spot this afternoon. I'm taking a break. Because if I don't take a break, I'm going to go mental. All right? So Vaz is taking my show. So Vaz, go as long as you want, mate. Do what you want. You might want to talk about this weekend, GDP figures. It's going to be a volatile, scary weekend. Not for me, but for those that have not paid any attention. Oh, No Excuses. No Excuses has just gone pro. I knew it. Send me a friend request. Send me a friend request at No Excuses. Send me a friend request. Here we go. Send me a friend request right now. He's just joined. Oh, Monkey Drafty. Monkey Drafty. Look, Just so you know, I'm not making this stuff up. All right. There is Monkey Drafty and there is No Excuses. Both gone pro. Both gone pro. Everyone does. 1 minute ago. There you go. Send me a friend request right now. Send me a friend request right now. Add friend. Add friend. Send me a friend request. Yeah. You're live on the show now. Send a new friend request. There you go. Doing my best to help everyone. I love this. I love when I can actually reach someone live. I cannot tell you how wonderful it is, what the feeling it is to know another human being is not being scammed. They're protected and, you know, they're going to win. I love that. That makes my life worthwhile. That's what I'm doing it for. So Monkey Drafty, No Excuses today. 2 members, just gone pro. Everyone does now. Everyone goes pro now. Send me a friend request. Pending. Here we go. What's just come in? Not Monkey Drafty. It is accept, no excuses. Done. Done. He's back. He's secure. Fantastic. Good. I'm loving it. Or Mary Poppins. I think we got Mary Poppins is a. This rings a bell. Mary Poppins. She's applying. Oh, I think I know what this is. I've got a funny feeling I know who this is. Was this the lady that we helped? She was trying to upgrade. We kicked her out because she cancelled. This is what we have to do. And if I remember, I think that's the lady. I can't remember her name now. But I can see her face. I'm sure I know who this is. Right, Mary Poppins. Monkey Drafty. And now everyone's friend requesting. Oh, this is good. Oh, I love it. I love it. I can actually be useful. Right, okay. So Monkey Drafty, profile, accept, friend request. You've gone pro. You've gone pro. Okay. Mary Poppins. I know who you are. I just don't remember the name. Raymond Zapter. Was that you? Are you the Monkey Drafty? So I'll delete the other one then, the Ray Zapter. I will kick that one out because you've upgraded anyway. So there you go. So Mary Poppins, let me just see if I can... no excuses. Thank you. Need to continue. Yeah. Right. Mary Poppins, there you go. I'm just going to stay live for a second. Watch this. That's right.
At Tidy Big Dog 2407 tipped £1.99 through Super Chat. A spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down.
A spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down. Medicine go down. Medicine go... Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, even though the sound of it was something quite precocious. Oh, yes, I love it. Right, okay, I think we're good. I can't sit here all day. I could be sitting here all day waiting for everybody, but I'll take care of it. That's it from me. In the most delightful way. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim chiroo. Good luck's will rub off when I shake hands with you. Or blow me a kiss. And that's happy too. That's lucky too. Oops, wrong words. Right, I'm out of here. Thank you very much indeed. I'll see you over on Discord in a bit. You got the links for the music show tonight. You got the links for Extra. I'm out of here. I'm going to go and have a lie down, watch a bit of telly with a cup of tea and a biscuit, have a bit of cake, and bugger it. All right, that's it from me. Take care of yourselves. Be careful, folks. The next show the next show will be Vaz. Vaz is going to be live with a great show this afternoon. He might do an extended show. Wonderful stuff. I will see you back for the Friday music show. I'll be back on Monday. No show, no closing bell. I'll go into Discord now. You're all ready for the weekend. You've got money in your buying power. You're not going to get stuffed over. And hopefully by now you're doing good. I'm looking to buy more of the S&P. You can see Nvidia going down a bit. But it's the S&P I'd like to buy. But I ain't going to buy this unless we have a big dip this afternoon. I've got 25 grand to go. So I'm ready to win, and I will win. That's it from me. See you later, folks. Take care of yourselves. On Discord right now, Electrum Music Tonight. Ta-ra. Take care of yourselves and each other. We might have lost one person today, but we managed to help two. That'll do for me. Take care. Bye-bye.